Alright guys, welcome back. So let me show you guys real quick what happened. So this part here, sort of just take this off. There, like that. This part here, either I did not put it in correctly or whatever happened, but it is not sealing this thing off very well, or it could be that because of how powerful, let's see here, because of how powerful the, oh no, that's what happened. I just didn't have this in there. Okay, cool. I was wrong. Nothing new there, nothing new there at all. So I just didn't put the sealing correctly. This goes up and through here. Come on. You know you want to. Okay, cool. So what I need to do is make sure that this goes all the way up. Like that. And then tighten this up and hopefully create that solid seal. Maybe that'll be it. Maybe that'll fix it. And I won't have to open up anything else or add any other sealant. Maybe that's the only thing that I did wrong. It does feel like maybe there's water coming out of here. Hope not. Hope not. Alright, well, let's try this. Close this off like this, and I'm going to run some water. I'm going to get a bowl and fill it up and dump it, and then we'll see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Grab some more paper to make sure this part is relatively dry. And hopefully this is the end of that fix here. Let's see. Get that bowl. Get that bowl. Fill that bowl with water. Dump that water down the drain, and hey, that looks good. That looks good so far. Keeping our fingers crossed, there is nothing wrong, nothing wrong. Let's hope that's all, folks. But if not, I'll be back in here with the VR camera, and we'll do another video on this anyway. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.